Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a cauliflower chapati. So here we have in this bowl grated cauliflower. Then add in some chopped onions. Then add some salt for some flavor. Then add some Ajawain.
Or caraway seeds.
It's caraway seeds. Then add some spices. We have so many different colors.
Show them. This is garam masala, turmeric, kitchen king, coriander, and cumin. This is 2 types of chili powder. This is the skin of chili, and this is the real mixed with
Both.
real chili powder.
Ghost pepper. So first you need to add this garam masala. 1 teaspoon or 2. Say
Okay, that's it. And then you need to rest this for 10 minutes so that all the flavor will
multiply by 5.
be absorbed with this mixture. I think we need more garam masala.
You wanna make it really spicy?
No, garam masala is not spicy.
This one sometimes it could be spicy.
Very nice flavor.
Try with banana.
No, that's different one kind of garam masala. That's chat masala.
Oh.
That's for the fruits or
Cuisines.
sprinkle with salt. With fruits. That's okay. You have to rest this for a while.
So now we're going to make the chapati for cauliflower there.
So this is the remade cauliflower.
This is the chapati dough.
Yeah. So we have recipe with it in the other videos how to make it.
Please watch.
And then so we have to set aside this one. You just roll it up. You need some flour so that it will not get sticky.
It's called atta. Flour is for real bread. The one that you can put anything with.
This is wheat bread. Wheat flour.
This is atta for short.
Yes. Then you have to scoop it.
Okay, so I want to tell you this story. Yesterday I saw one person making pink chapati.
Pink chapati.
It could be made of beet.
Root beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very healthy.
Never tasted root beet before, but I love radishes with egg. They're so crunchy. They go good with anything. Here, dip.
Simple as that.
Just roll it, depending on the size you want.
This is my favorite.
Now it's big.
You have to slowly. If you cook it in the low fire, it will be it's quite hard and crunchy. But if a bit high flame, it will be soft and nice. And another one.
Well, if you want to add as much as you want.
And you can make any different kind of filling. You can make some
Potato, like the other one, you know, the one rolled in egg. With bell pepper, so good and yummy.
Yes, you can make other things.
You can put root beet.
Yeah, I think so, but I never tried that one.
Never even eaten beet before.
Yeah, so we just roll it later so that it will not stick.
And flippy. Look, many little dotties. And if it has dotties, it means it's going to cook soon.
Then put some ghee.
And
Or
then
ghee.
that's why it's very, very solid.
That's why Mama's tummy is growing big.
And
With
really
this
hard.
ghee.
It feels like a Japanese bubble candy. You know what's a Japanese bubble candy? It's just like the wrapping of a fish and inside you have to pop it to take out the candy.
Oh my.
But the candy is not liquid. It's just like a jelly, a gummy jelly.
Then other side.
I don't really like ghee. Now, extra flippy. Wow. I don't know how to do it chapati, but I'm really good at doing it on bread only. And then don't put too much ghee. Just add a little bit for a little bit crunch and flavor.
Ghee is like
A balloon.
no, it's butter.
Butter?
But you don't have to put it in the fridge. It can stay longer outside, room temperature, and it will never get spoiled
Never gets spoiled, so it
Yes.
never gets expired.
until you finish it.
Does it get expired?
No need to put in the fridge.
I have a question. I don't know if it will get expired.
Then it's ready.
Then for chapati, who's in the
Then what is
place?
the secret in there?
The secret? I don't know.
Dump it.
Dump it every time you make chapati so that you will laugh. What is the
This is
secret?
secret.
The actual secret is one whole cube of butter.
Dump with butter.
You can dump the chapati
That's delicious.
and make sure it's melty in the middle. Now here's chapati number
Excellent.
2.
Yes. This is my breakfast.
For me, if I'm going to eat the egg with bell pepper chapati, I call it burrito because the way I do it is
Indian
rolled.
burrito special. So like that.
Please watch.
You have to hold it nicely. It will not stick on your hand.
Now dump. You always have to dump everything, even if it's on the plate.
Do it nicely, yeah, and dump.
We always dump. And our next video is special. It's a secret.
What is it?
It's our secret video. Our next video is a secret. It's special.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah. You're gonna see when I make the video. But now we have to do this breakfast one. Next one is the snack one for today. For today, 23rd September 2020.
So soon we will have the
What the?
spoon.
Yeah. The camera's burning because it's too near the smoke.
Smoky mountain.
Then flipu. It's way too hot in here. The camera's burning.
Always hot food.
And that's why my camera always gets burned and it's so smoky.
That's delicious.
But make sure you don't burn your taste buds off. But only if that happens to ice, then I will lose my taste buds for a few days.
Then it's ready.
It's like flipping a pancake, but this is not pancake. No.
This is gobi prata.
It is gobi. Gobi.
Cauliflower. There now. There you go.
Oh, but this one is smaller.
It's ready.
They actually look small in
Let's have
reality.
breakfast.
Though they look
Yum,
big,
yum,
but
yum.
in reality, it's a bit small than you think it is. Look yummy. Please try out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and press the notification bell. Oh, bye.